Good morning from Greece. We are here at the Beauty Greece today to introduce the LG Chi Color Master Factory. Chi colors, ammonia-free, PPD-free. Out of 10 color canisters and 2 peroxide canisters, you can have up to 30,000 formula built in, and you can have up to 1 million formula because you are a professional colorist and professional hairdresser. So how this works, it's very easy. 12 canisters inside the Color Master Factory where you can update all your clients, all your stylists. So how you can do it, it's very easy. You have the two modes, simulation mode and manual mode. With the manual mode, you can choose any color you want. You can choose the color that you want to mix. And you can choose how many grams you need to mix. So you can go as low as 15 grams and you can go as high as 90 grams. And also you can choose the adjustment. If I want more gold, I can adjust more gold, and it's 0.5 gram up to 30 gram I can add. Also, I can choose the developer. Out of 2 canisters of developer, 0 and 40, you can have 7 volume, you can have 10 volume, you can have 20 volume, 30 volume, and 40 volume. So if I choose 20 volume, and I can choose how many gram do I want, and because I have all my hairdressers inside the salon registered, I have to choose the hairdresser who's gonna do the color. So after I choose my own formula, I have to say dispense. And when I say dispense, the Color Master Factory will ask me to put a Chi bowl. If there is no bowl, the Color Master Factory will not dispense. So what I will do, I will open this door, I will choose a bowl, color bowl, and I will say dispense. And then the Color Master Factory will dispense the formula I choose.